Good afternoon and big hi to all Stock Champ subscribers and well wishers. On demand, we have started to publish investing related video courses. We have come with our first video, Chapter 1 Basics of Investing and Why Start Investing Early. Before we start, thanks from the bottom of heart to all the 100 subscribers of Trading Community Zone in just 1 month. Keep supporting us. So let's jump into the topic. We'll start with the famous story of ant and grasshopper. You can see in the pic. As the ant has saved food for the upcoming harsh winter, it was able to survive, whereas the grasshopper, which did not plan ahead and wasted time, had to starve and die in the cold. In the same way, savings are essential mean to take care of you and your family future needs. Developments in medical science are prolonging our lifespan. Most of us in this generation are poised to enjoy a long retirement life. Maintaining a healthy standard of living post retirement requires a good pot of savings that are invested wisely. At every stage of life, we have some goals to achieve, whether it's to provide for your higher education, planning for a grand marriage, going for honeymoon to a holiday destination during 20s, 30s. It could be for child's education, buying a second home during 30s, 40s, and finally, during 40s, 60s, you need to provide for your children's marriage, move to a new home, plan your will, and then enjoy life after retirement. There are also some goals which are not goal based but are precaution based and are needed to provide for emergencies like untimely death, accidents, or any other unexpected cost, and that can arise out of emergencies. Apart from this, we also need money for things which we'd like to do, such as buying a fancy gadget, going for a vacation, healthy and fitness related costs, pursuing new hobbies, watching movies, partying, doing charity and community work, etc. These can be categorized as wants, as they are not absolutely essential but are decided by everyone. Having a detailed financial plan, periodic savings as per requirement, appropriate asset allocation, investing for the long term, and are always of planning for future, whether it is for the goal based needs or for a precautionary needs or for wants. Someone who is not interested in taking appropriate care of their hard earned money may not be able to meet his goals, take care of emergencies, and provides for his wants. Moreover, disciplined savings bring financial independence to your life, and you don't need to depend too much on your employer or in your kids. Also, saving regularly builds discipline and organizes your finances and lets you be in control of your life.
Yo, what's up? Yo, we're hosting tonight. You free? Yeah. Alright, I'll see you there.
It's midnight, we're going up.
Diversification takeaways. Regardless of what goals you plan to achieve and what time period you are investing, diversification is the smartest strategy of investing. Based on your risk appetite, decide how much proportion of your investment is allocated to each asset class. Thus, started building a financial plan by starting to analyze your present situation, how much you own, how much you owe, your monthly expenses, are you covered under insurance, etc. After understanding your situation, plan what financial needs you would have in the future based on your goals, aspirations, etc. Then decide how much risk you can take when you invest based on your risk appetite. Now decide on asset allocation strategy and start investing as per the plan. The next important and final step is to keep tracking of your investments from time to time and see if you are on track. If you are not, your investments might need a relook. To summarize, if people take their kids for vaccination in spite of the pain or the fever that comes with it, there should be no reason to follow the same principle in financial planning and investments. One must see the wisdom behind accepting short term pain for long term gains before it is too late. Your financial planner can act as your trusted guide in this rewarding but occasionally painful path towards financial freedom. Compounding is an investor's best friend, we can say eighth wonder. Use it to your advantage as much as you can. Don't wait for an opportune time to save money. Start saving whatever you have whenever you have it. Thank you.